Hi everyone, good day to our Professor Noel Nasubando and my classmates in electrical machines ELT1210. So first, I'm Ronaldo Albinante and I'm 20 years old and living in Lomos at Barangay Marangog, and my hobbies is playing games like Mobile Legends, um, skateboarding and basketball. I am electrical technology students, and my dream in my life is to work as a superintendent, specifically as an electrical officer or electrical maintenance and crew on ships.
A few minutes later.
What's my goal in my life? My main goal in my life is to become a certified superior who who keeps ships on electrical systems and machines running smoothly and safely. I want to work on cargo or passenger vessels that travel around the world, but I also hope to help our Philippine flagships to maintain the top-notch electrical setups. I've always been fascinated by how ships can operate completely independ- in, independently at sea, and electrical systems are what makes that possible. So being the one to take care of those systems is what I am working for. So that's our first question answer. I hope you understand it, and everyone. So next.
2,000 years later.
So second questions. What drastic improvement will I make this semesters to achieve these goals, and why? So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus and give extra attention to how understanding the electrical system work under the harsh conditions like extreme temperatures, humidity, and constant movement, and practice troubleshooting problems fast. So before now, I I just learned the basic about machines work on land, but shapes are a whole different environment. I need to do this because at sea there's no way to quickly call for help or get replacement parts, so you have to fix issues in right away to keep the ship and everyone on board safe. I'll start my doing extra research on marine electrical systems, like take online quizzes on how to use troubleshooting and like emergency scenarios. And so, and ask my professor for any resources on separating electrical work. And I also plan to join a local maritime training group to learn more about the certification and I'll I I'll need later on. And last questions. Why is this electrical machine subject important in my goal? Shapes rely entirely on electrical machines, from the generator that provides power to the motors that run pumps, cranes, and navigations equipment. So this class teaches me how these machines work and how to maintain them and how to spot signs of like a trouble before they cause big problems. Like for example, if a ship main generator start acting up, I need to know exactly exactly what parts to check and how to adjust them so that the ship doesn't lose the power in the middle of the ocean. So these subjects are also cover things like load balancing and safety protocols, which are critical for marine operations. Without knowing this stuff, I can't I can't even qualify for the training needed to work on ships. So so this class is a must for getting my foot in the door of the seafaring industry. So that's all, and alright, that's all for my introductions. Thank you for watching my videos, and I am excited to learn with all of you sir on this semester. So I will be uploading this video in my YouTube and submitting the link to our Google Classroom. So thank you.